What's going on, guys? Nathan Loy here with Quick 10 Workouts. Today I want to share a super shake recipe with you that I like to begin each of my days with. It's a doozy, so I hope you guys are ready for this. Basically, the way I like to start is I like taking frozen fruit, mango, mixed berries, spinach, oats, and then protein. Now with the protein, you can use a plant protein. I have been using whey for a long time, but eventually I got to the point where I was like, you know what? No way. That was really corny. But I would recommend using the plant protein. I just started using it. Honestly, it's been like a couple months now, and I have noticed a difference in my energy levels. So I definitely recommend giving it a try. Now you can use a lot of different brands. Body Fortress came out with one. Lately I've been using the photo or the B-roll you're about to see. I can't even remember the name. I'm not even really loyal to a certain kind of plant protein. I would just recommend getting something. Me personally, I don't really like soy, so I usually go with a pea protein. A lot of times I'll have brown rice, chia seeds, hemp protein, all kind of blended together. So you can kind of do your own research and find out what works best for you. Now for the shake, what I like to do is I usually take about half of a bag of frozen mango, half of a bag of frozen mixed berries, and then I'll do maybe a half cup of spinach, up to a cup depending on how big your blender is and how much spinach you like. Get strong like Popeye. And then with the oats, you can use like half a cup of oats to a cup of oats depending on your preference. And then usually I like to put in around at least 20 to 30 grams of protein, so you can kind of look on the back, find out how many scoops you need to get your 20 to 30 grams in. Then I put it in the blender, blend it for about 30 seconds. Oh, actually I should back up. So you want to fill the water. I usually fill the water about 3/4 full. Now I like a lot of water in my shake. If you like your shakes thicker, you can use less water. Just depends. Usually whenever I wake up, I'm dehydrated, so I want something that's going to be more hydrating. So therefore I put a little bit more water in there. And yeah, that's about it. At the end, you can drink it straight out of the blender or pour it into the glass. The blender that I have has kind of a design flaw, so anytime I pour it, it tends to spill everywhere. So lately I've been using a straw. Alright guys, that is it. Short video today. Try this shake out. Let me know what you think. Join the shake life. It's a movement that I'm creating right now. And actually it's been around probably for quite a while, but I'm starting it. Appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have an idea for a video, let me know and I will put it out. I'm going to read the comments today. It's been a while, and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay classy.